Hello friends, welcome back to Miya's Spice World. Today we will be making famous restaurant style Matar Paneer. This rich, spicy and delicious Matar Paneer is perfect to make when you are in a mood to enjoy something restaurant style at home. Serve this tasty Matar Paneer with any flavored rice, butter naan or roti. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end. So, let's get started. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here, I have taken 200 grams of fresh paneer cubes and 1 cup of green peas. For grinding, I have taken 1 big onion, 2 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 green chilli, 2 cloves, 1 cardamom, 8 to 10 cashew nuts and 1-inch stick of cinnamon. In a kadai, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Fry the paneer cubes in medium-high flame. Do not fry the paneer for too long as they will turn dense and hard. Immediately transfer the fried paneer to water. This will retain the softness of the paneer. Now we will make the masala paste. In a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend it to a smooth paste and keep aside. In the same kadai, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 bay leaf. Keeping the flame low, add the ground masala paste and mix well. Continue to saute until the paste thickens. Cover the pan and cook until the oil separates. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds or khaskhas and mix well. Saute until the spices turn aromatic. For extra flavor at this stage, add 2 spoons of ghee and give it a quick stir. Add in the green peas and stir well. Now add around 1 cup of water and salt and mix well until a smooth gravy is attained. Cover and cook for 10 minutes until matar is cooked well. Now it's time to add our fried paneer pieces and mix it gently. Finally add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and combine it well. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes for the flavors to set in. garnish with some fresh coriander leaves. Our rich, creamy and tasty restaurant-style Matar Paneer is ready to be served. Enjoy this delicious Matar Paneer with any flavored rice, butter naan or roti. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.